In today, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps you can start your skincare journey today. So stick around if you're a beginner that are looking for a way to start your skincare journey. Welcome back. If this is your first time, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. In this channel, we talk about everything skincare. We review skincare and teach you how to use it. So if you're a beginner and you are sometimes confused on how to start your skincare journey, many people sometimes feel that before they can achieve the skincare goal or master their skincare, it is hard or a rocket science. It's not like that. When you see all those gurus saying apply this, apply that, you see them applying so many steps. This is a lot of, you feel like it's a lot of job. It is not. You begin to ask yourself, when do I master all this? When do I get this smooth looking skin? You can achieve it. It's not that hard. What you have to do is just begin. Begin somewhere and stop procrastinating. When you do your routine morning and night for just 3 days, you feel very confident and you begin to love skincare. So for a beginner like you, I was once in that state. Yes, before I get to this stage, I'm still going. So what you have to do is begin somewhere. The 5 steps I'm going to give you is just very simple. All you have to do is follow it religiously, consistently. You will see results. The number 1 is washing. Get yourself a good face wash. I use Vit Gold, and even I use Vit Gold. T3 has an affordable one, and there are also many types of face wash in the market. Just get yourself a face wash and the washing pad. Yes, your hand cannot do the job. Get a small towel or get yourself a small foam for washing your face. You wash morning and night. Don't sleep with makeup. The number 2 is cleansing. You get yourself a good face cleanser. Get a cotton wool and cleanse. After washing, you cleanse. Yes, some people will say, oh yes, you cleanse. Cleanser is different from toner. They are 2 different things. The number 3 is serum, but it's optional. Yes, if you have money on you, you can buy serum, but if you don't have enough cash, you can skip this procedure. It's not necessary as a beginner. But if you have money and want to add more, I would advise you to get a vitamin C serum and use it in the morning, and vitamin E serum and use it at night. So that brings us to number 4, which is moisturizing. So many of us use body lotion as face cream. No, it's not the same. Get yourself a good moisturizer. Goji berry have a good one. I use goji berry. I use sunblock face moisturizer. You apply your moisturizer after applying your serum. The last but not the least, which is the most important, is sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen protection. There is no skincare. This is so important that without it, every other skincare treatment you are doing is a waste. If you're not using sunscreen and you're using 20 steps of skincare, it is going to, even if you buy $1 million worth of skincare, it is not going to give you the effective result. So you get yourself a sunscreen. Get one that has SPF 50% above. These are the ones that are more active for our climate in Africa. So for you to also get what you want out of these 5 steps I give you, which is wash, cleanse, apply your serum, your moisturizer and your sunscreen, is to be consistent. Be committed to the journey. You will see changes. I know our economy is not smiling at us, but buy it one at a time. Yes, if you buy one today, buy one tomorrow, before you know you have buy all of it. Just make a budget. That's how I buy my skincare. I don't buy them all at once. I buy face wash and one other product today. Next week I buy other. So I have my collections. So be consistent with this routine. Do it morning and night. Get yourself a face towel and get yourself and keep to the routine. Don't do one today. And make a budget. You can buy 1 or 2 today. And with the face, you can start from the face before you move to the body. Yes, the body part is another video. I will do that video very soon. So get the face, then you move to the body. Never jump from one product to another. Unless it's giving you some reaction, you discontinue use. No, any product that gives you a sharp result is not a good product. You must use a product for at least 2 months before you can say this one is working or it's not working. Change your bed sheet every Saturday. Get a small face towel. Never expose your skin to the sun. Eat fruit and veggies and reduce your sugar intake. If you can do this as a beginner, I guarantee you within 30 days you will see changes, a very big change. Go and give it a try. Thank you for watching. I would like to see you in another video. Bye bye.